If you're looking for CarPlay for an Audi A3, this is where you can have Spotify, WhatsApp, Google Maps, Waze, and many other apps on your Audi A3 directly on the original screen with great value for money. Stay tuned in this video and I'll show you where I bought my CarPlay at a very competitive price. Remember, CarPlay is plug and play and I'm not a vendor. I'm just recommending where I bought it from. Everything arrived correctly and it works perfectly. Is that okay? So let's start. I will show you CarPlay. When you decide to buy it, you'll have it on your original multimedia center with amazing navigation, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze synchronization. You can even have Netflix if you want to put Netflix on the screen, amongst many other things. You can also navigate directly from your cell phone screen to make changes to the functions you want. You will also be able to use the car's original controls, those that are on the central console. You can change and configure the entire screen on your central console. I'm going to leave a video here right after this, showing you how it's installed in my car and how it works with all the functions. You can see it operating, mirroring the video and audio, WhatsApp, among many other functions directly here in this video. But it's very important that you leave because no one indicates where to buy with cost efficiency and at a low price. I'm giving you this tip for free, okay? So if you want to buy it first, link here in the description. Leave a like and let's watch the rest of the video showing it in operation directly in my car, okay? Alright guys, that's it. Here's the video, bye-bye. Now, I'm going to show you first how you're going to make the connection using this system. Here we have the Apple cable. It doesn't need to be original, but you will need the original input cable from your iPhone or Android to be able to make the connections. So let's connect the cable here. You can now leave your cell phones aside, okay? So we won't need them anymore. Here we have the navigation option here on the steering wheel. Hold it for 3 seconds, that's it. Now it's connected. As you can see on the screen, we've already opened CarPlay. So on your cell phone, you can even leave it with the screen off. It keeps everything working. So screen off, cell phone locked. It keeps everything there correctly. Here we have the phone option. Click here and you will have your entire contact book. At the top you have the recents. You also have the contacts option, the keyboard option to make calls and voice emails. We also have the Waze option here. Open Waze and it will appear directly on the screen. We have the option for you to return to the beginning. Remember, with this option, you can navigate everything here using the car's original joystick. You don't lose the original functions. You will be able to navigate on the screen directly here using the joystick, which I think is pretty cool. Now let's return to the screen and I'll show you. We have the home button option here. Click and go back to the original. There's an option for messages, option to play a video or something like that. We also have maps here, which is really cool because it maintains that system where you can see the streets, which is really cool. Okay. Including all the Waze and Maps audio. Comes out on your car stereo. And along with that, the sun will also be sent. So we will have the Spotify option here as well, which is certified by Apple. So you can have Spotify. You will be able to see the songs you want to choose here. You have the option in the case of your albums or your playlists. You can alter them too. In the library option, you can go to playlists, songs, albums, artists, podcasts that you enjoy. And you can rewind here to play the audio so you can hear the song. You can also skip the song forward or backward from the album you are on. All of this you can always control here directly on the car's original joystick. Alright, let's go to the home screen and I'll show you what else we have here. We also have WhatsApp here on the second page, so you also have optional WhatsApp. I'll summarize for you here. You will have phone, messages, video playback, Google Maps, Spotify, and Waze. The WhatsApp is also there on the next screen. So you will have access to all this. When a WhatsApp message arrives, it will appear on the WhatsApp screen for you to see. Spotify gives you access to everything, including Apple Music. You will also have an Apple Music application here for your convenience. Well, folks, we also have mirroring. Now you can watch video from your mobile, such as YouTube or else. I'll show a video here for you to see on your mobile directly on the screen with audio directly in the car. Well, now, if you like Carplay here and you are interested in buying it for your car, leave a comment or send us an email at nobromotorsporte@gmail.com. There we will tell you what the value and installation cost of the product is. Just a reminder, we are based in Sao Paulo, so we don't install outside of Sao Paulo. So if you are from outside of Sao Paulo, you will have to come to Sao Paulo for us to install. If you are not from Sao Paulo, but you have some knowledge, we can help with the installation as well. All right, folks, this product here is reasonably priced in the market. It's a good option for those who don't have CarPlay in their car and want to have CarPlay in a nearly original way from the factory because it looks really cool. There's no wire cutting. There's nothing of that sort. So this is the only solution we found on the market to give you the option of CarPlay with Waze, with Google Maps, with WhatsApp and everything else, folks. So if you're interested, leave it in the comments or send us an email and we'll get in touch and provide you step-by-step instructions. All right? If you like the video or know any friends who are interested in installing CarPlay and own an Audi, leave a comment or send the video to your friends so they can share it. They can know about this system too. Currently, we don't have anything for Volkswagen, but I hope that in the future we can get something for Volkswagen in the same style. It will be really cool for Volkswagens to have CarPlay, even though they didn't come originally from the factory.